Today I'm gonna show you a hair trimmer from BRD Clip with the model number 137. It looks like a Rebel trimmer. Okay. So this is it. So you can see somehow it looks like a Rebel trimmer, although a Rebel trimmer is a little bit smaller. And does it have the same power like the Rebel trimmer? No, doesn't. The motor inside this Rebel trimmer is more powerful than the one inside this BRD Clip hair trimmer. Okay, so inside you got all these ones, so it's not something really special. So back inside again, and you have also the option to buy with bubble pack or with a black box. So nothing really written on the black box, that's why I took this one, you know. So and this BRD Clip hair trimmer got 2 hours charging time, 150 minutes operating time, 10 watts, and 7,500 RPMs. Okay, yeah, it's rating also 10 watts. Okay, and here you got LCD display, which is really good. And first of all, so the blade doesn't match. As you can see, this blade doesn't fit on this one. I guess like TPOB or Babyliss blade will fit, I guess so. I'm not that sure, so here's sound check. So it comes with a USB-C charging. Yeah, that's it. And the sound check of Rebel. You can hear this one is much more faster than BRD Clip. So now let's make an RPM test. First, we're gonna try this. First, we're gonna try this Rebel. And in case if maybe you want to know, yes, you can zero gap this hair trimmer. It's possible. You can see. Yo, so that's it for the unboxing of this BRD Clip. Peace.